I hired somebody. All I do now is take pictures. And I hired somebody to list for me off of Fiverr. Now $433. I just gave him 10 more to do. Then I'll probably do another 20 more this week. And let me show you. I'll go back into this one. This, he does all the SEO. This is how they look when he does them. And the nice thing is they'll edit the photos, but they do all the item specifics. He'll put in all the item specifics, do the SEO, do the titles the way they're supposed to. And my ratings and performance has gone up. Incredible. I'm up to, I think, 1 million hits now. So whatever he's doing is definitely working out. This is what I do. I'll take pictures. Like, see this one? I'll take the pictures. Weight 15 pounds, the box size, UPS ground. But you see up here the title of the folder, V296 tested, working fine, no remote. And that's the way I do it. I put whatever on these. Has Sony VHS DVD recorder, works great, has remote. So I try to give him as much information as possible, and then here's a video of it working. And it's playing a Japanese Ultraman movie. A copy, no less, our DVD-R. So you can't get a DVD machine to play those lately, not unless you have a higher end one. So that's where I'm at right now. Anyway, that's what I've been doing, getting things like that, trying to get everything listed. As much as possible. And like I said, you can do it. If you need somebody to help you list, just go to Fiverr and hire somebody. I think everybody on Fiverr roughly is, you can get, if you look around, if you negotiate, you can get somebody for $1 per listing. But they'll have what they call their gigs. This is my gig. This is what I do. And, they'll say, I'll do 20 listings for $20, 20 listings for $15, whatever. This is what I need. They'll be SEO, search engine optimized, compliant. They know what to do. They know where to do it, how to get the information on there, so they'll be seen when people want to search for them. So I hope that sounds correct, or if anybody's interested like that, FIV. Oh, here, let me show you. And then, people also say, gee, I need some help. I need a, whatchamacallit, I want a video intro for my channel. I need graphics and logos for my channel. I mean, you want video. You just click on video. Video ads and commercials. Of course, there's high people on there too, but then there's $35, $10. I will create an animated explainer video. Explainer video, yeah, you don't want explainer videos. You want, let's see, video ad. 15, 15, 15, drop shipping video ad, drop shipping. Don't do drop shipping because eBay frowns on that, and it's a good way to lose your account. But that's all these people do, you know. $25, $50, $3.95. I wouldn't do that. $8.90. Oh my God. But I mean, you can $5. I will create Shopify, Facebook video ads for products, and they find products for you. Basically, it's drop shipping. You just have to search for what you want. That's all. Or you make yourself an account, and then you post a job. I am looking for someone to make me a thumbnail for a show I'm doing next week. I am looking for someone to make me a 30-second video for a YouTube show that I'm doing next week. And I need it high resolution, 4K. You say whatever you want, and you'll get offers within minutes. You can even put in, I'm only willing to pay $10. I'm only willing to pay $15. And if they can do it for that, you'll get a ton of people coming back to you saying, oh, I could do that, I could do that, I could do that. I would be more than happy to help you with that. And it's all the time. I can't tell you how many times I've used Fiverr in the past to do so many different things. Like I needed an Excel sheet made with all the calculations and stuff in it, and I'm not good with Excel. Even to this date, I'm still not good with Excel. Within an hour, I had one, $5. So that's it, everyone.